we're gonna start with Dragon Trail. Chillin' wins with a $500 ticket on the dollar. Here's a look at those beautiful progressives. Hopefully we get a train and a chance at the big one.
On trains.
That would be a lot of fun. All right, here we go. So you need 6 in total. Wait, is that a bonus?
Yeah, it is.
Oh my gosh. Dragon Train $5, let's get it.
Come on, bro.
I don't know what this bonus does, so I'm excited. So each one of those are stickies. That could be cool.
Sticky reel.
Oh, that's fun. Are those wilds? Those are, so that's really good.
That's interesting. And then it stays there.
Come on, wilds. Yes, because that's a line head.
Okay, I like that.
More. Balls. Shit! Balls, baby. Kings all the way across. Final spin. Alright. Man, the potential there was so big.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Man.
I like sticky reels.
Green.
I didn't even know that was the free game symbol because we've never played this version.
No, we have never.
Come on, Nuggets.
Can we? Man, I thought we had the major.
Oh, I was also like, well, what is going on right now?
Right? Alright, that's the standard.
Trains.
Right?
Nuggets and trains.
One more? Yeah! We got it again. Alright, we got $5 Dragon Train. Here we go.
Sticky reels going.
Man, yeah, we need a lot of sticky reels going. Come on, sticky.
Yeah.
Sticky. Alright, we got one. Whatever.
That's one.
2.
5 lines. It's sticky.
Alright. Please be wild. Oh! Alright, 2 nuggets. Oh, it just went. Nuggets. Get out of here.
Oops. That one said.
It just slipped on by.
Oh my gosh. If you ever get those nuggets to line up, though, oh my gosh.
Right? Right?
I see some potential in that free games feature.
That must be the best symbol. Because it pays 3.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, where's the rest of your... Oh, there was the 2.
The best part of the feature that goes on. It's like the bonus after the bonus. It's like 2 free bonuses.
It is. It's pretty special. Okay. Oh,
That was a good start.
it wanted to go further. It tried.
No, there's so many wilds flying around.
3.
Please.
Okay.
The story of 5. It was 6. 6 is the magic number. Or for you.
Right? Well, hello. I like how it's got a similar feel to the original like Dragon Link.
Yeah, it does. You're right. It's like a Dragon Link and All Aboard just because the train had a baby.
Yeah, something like that. Oh, back door 3. Hello. Yes, we got that.
What did we just get?
Oh, a good mini. A good mini on the dollar denom. Come on, get the all aboard train. No, that's not the train.
The green one.
The green one did hit earlier. Nice. It's going. There's a minor in there. There was a minor in that one. Oh my gosh. $13,000 on the line. Just whack it in. That counts, right? Turtle power? I want to see that. That's pretty good though. $385. That's damn near 100x. Not bad. Cool.
I love when a mini decides to start us off.
Well, that's a fun song. Cool.
Nice.
I will do a backup spin. And that's all she wrote. Hopefully you enjoyed this Dragon Train session. We'll take this as a win after we just got destroyed on session before this. All 3.
Yeah!
Wow, we got all 3. So we just got all 3. What are you thinking, Car?
Top.
Oh, fans, whatever. Just tell me your numbers. Which one you thinking? So we got 5, 10, 15. What's your first one, Car?
I'm gonna say 5.
5. All right. All right. We got a green. We got a green. We got a green. We got an 11 in the chat. All right. We got an 11 in the chat. We got a 7.
Oh, you got one again.
One more in the major. 8. Oh God! Don't do that again. A 2. Okay. We already got a 5. Let's do this one. Oh! Come on. We just need a blue one.
4.
What's that do?
Reveal 3 to upgrade the grand combo.
Oh. We just need to find that dumb thing again. No! But I think we still popped the other 2 pots.
They all move.
Yeah, they all wiggled and bopped and popped. What are you doing? All right, shake, rattle, and roll. All Alright, so we got 6 free games with all sorts of fun stuff. Oh, and you can win the minor mini. Alright. Whoa. Hey, we just got 3 more. Holy shnikes. Wow. Kaka, tookie. Okay. There we go. That's a pull all the way again. 4 free games remaining. King power. Symbols out front. There we go. Yes! 4, 5! Whack! Now I have my stuff up. Oh, it already did. Hey! There we go, another good whack. It's crazy because every time we get a good peacock, it's like $5. We're about to get to 100x. Come on. We're just outside of 100x right now. Coin it up. Let's. Oh wait, we get some flowers. Last one. That's a 100x win. That's pretty cool. Wow, that's something different.
Yeah. Okay, that was fun.
All right. Back up spin. Goodbye. That's kind of cool. That's a pretty good start. A couple holes to fill in. Big one. Yeah. Come on. Oh my God. The top one would be gorgeous. There we go. Any hole. Any hole is a good hole. We got grand eligible. Alright, here we go. More glitters. Hey, that's a good one. Sparkles, where are you?
I wish it was always the same. I know, and it keeps going. I'm like, don't stop. You can only stop if you have the grand on the back.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Bring it back. 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 No! Shoot, it set it down there. All right, not bad. That's pretty cool. Hello? Yes! Carly!
I manifested it. Oh, okay. I gotta make it
Oh my
shorter.
God! Backup spins.
Backup spins for me.
Wow! Wow!
Alright, fill it up. Not all at once though.
Oh, not all at once. Yeah, we don't need that all at one time. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's a double card up top. There's a card. There's a bigger card. Much bigger card up top. We got 3 cards. Oh my God, we can make. Come on! on, find some holes. Hey, so that'll be a nice one. So 3 carts in total. This will be fun. All right, are you doing that one first? This is what you really wanted to have. Now you do both of them. Right after we just had a chance at the grand. That was cool. Now we're getting 3 cards. That's a good one. Yeah, we need rainbows. Don't say cart. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Bring it back. No, that's how it is. Okay, 2 more to go. All right. We gotta start with the little one. Yes. There we go. That's a good start. Can't it only be like 11 cards?
I think so. Yeah.
So that's like 5 cards. Bring it.
Yeah, that was like 5 cards.
You can bring that mini back. You know you want to. No. All right, major time. So this was like 25 cards. 1, 2. Maybe it's a little because the major's coming.
Maybe.
It's gonna be smaller than the minor train. We're gonna need some glitter here. We're gonna need some glitter magic.
I like it when you bring in the right colors.
All right, bring it back, buddy. Do it! No, it stops. So that's gotta be good though. Right after a grand train, we get the special bubble sauce for 85.
Oh my god!
That's sick. Hell yeah.
That actually beats a grand train
It did.
by $4.
Just barely. What's one more backup spin?
I know, another one.
Oh man.
Thank you. I told you it was gonna happen. You manifested it.
You did.
Isn't that weird how that happened?
That was so cool.
I manifested it. Yeah.
We get back over 5, we're calling it, guys. We get back even on the night, we're calling it.
Extra real. Bill, I want to see a full screen of this.
Look at the guy.
He's winking at you.
He's everywhere.
Nice.
Just because I said we get back to even does not mean do that. Thank you for a card.
Ooh, nice.
So which one's it gonna take? Oh yeah.
Oh baby, now it's gonna go over there.
Wait, that's gonna be a big one over there now. What?
Alright.
Alright, so we got a couple tries.
Minor and major nail.
Which one's it doing?
I don't know, just hit the button instead of...
Okay.
Okay. Instead of touching it, you hit the play button. Big video. Mini. No, okay. I know you want me.
Glitter. Back to even. Back to even.
There you go.
In the profit. Up $1. Bring back your card.
Nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
So we'll catch y'all later. Have a good night.